And me, Nipa Nasemia Yapa is Gifty Klenam. How can you do this to NPP as a party? You, a party member, you've benefited from NPP, and what Abeka says, no, we free NPP. Like, I don't understand her.
Welcome to the political rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
The voice. The only person can say, for me, I don't think says declaration of the access now is important in Ghana because Obi decided so be real sika. Now one funny thing another naba. So the property can be theirs, but they will not put their names on it. And then I make I say in Ghana, no, because in Ghana they will not. They will not. Or declare say or dan back. No, cause will be sika aye dying for fraud. No, obey. So one say obi can and one some no be so no one the same person no will be son and the one some no. Untimi ya no ye because we decided say he's not ready to answer them. Nso no dey or questioning ebi mo dey a wo maye. So for me no sir won declare but me declare but still they will still because won be wia. But there's one thing I'm platform is to see I don't know but see program ne koso no na me call Facebook already on say John Dumoelo wo we need power no anche bia na me say wo say papa afim minim somewhat say ya and then so me call Facebook almost a munta council almost na maami afim ene ewo Facebook almost na maami afim e da o resume me office man no
I'm sacrifice some parent
and na
leader kuniku
sacrifice ya so no program you koso ya na me call Facebook na eno nso so no MP owo Miami Club for the past 24 years NPP has been in power. This is the first time NDC abedi seat atena so and also so sesia no ne uncle ewu na ne maami nua ba ewu nti won tu ni nyina da poster ne so we the same family won tu ni nyina sesia wo mawu that MP lady nti I don't get it minim ama me yam crash me because minim guy no my classmate or other one no my classmate and I never fa and one two nyina are on the posters and some other people so I don't know what is going on. I hope say what I'm thinking that's how it is because since we need power now say MPs I don't know but everybody we mobile
and me Nipa Nasemia Yapa is Gifty Klenam. How can you do this to NPP as a party? You, a party member, you've benefited from NPP, and what Abeka says, no, we free NPP. Like, I don't understand her. Please, I feel that for now, MPP, please, if we are even accepting people into our party, we should know if they are not wolves in if they are not wolves in sheep's clothing, because some of these things it's very worrisome. Because how can you tell me say
Good.
How many fingers?
How can you tell me say Sisi Anomenka MPP? Because I feel say NDC vision matches with mine. How can you say NDC vision matches with yours? Which is very, very wrong. And I'm patrol Okujeto Ablakwa no. Sa Okujeto, please, that man, please. I don't know why that position they want to even give him. I don't think, sorry to say if I use this word, I don't think he's competent for that position. I don't think he's competent for that position, because how can you bring someone's assets out? But who would then you will ask your leader if you the chairman, if you can answer that question. Does it make sense? You ask your chairman, can you answer that question? But who to me kofa who say your friends are who to me kofa Alex Diano out. You brought a lot of things. Who to me kofa you brought a lot of things about Alex out. Oh, so Akpenyo, like how they say aplau. Oh, no, I'm right, eh? You were able to bring a lot of things about Alex out. But who did you see? East Legon Hills, no. Bessie East Legon Airport Hills for now. What no? I heard say you pay $15,000 a month. About Parliament, you do 15,000 Ghana cedi, and our Ghana cedi sign the dollars no di tuana. Okasene, you're a lawyer. How much is a lawyer even taking? How many cases does she even get in a day to be able to sponsor that house they are staying in? All these things are questions that they are supposed to ask him. How is he able to sponsor? You cannot mark say my beautiful, your friend say, my beautiful wife supports me. With what? How much is she earning to pay that amount of money? And me too, I've done some research and I've gotten to know that that house he's staying in is actually for him. He's not renting anything. Because some of the things they are doing there, it's very bad. A thief, you are coming to expose your fellow thief. That makes sense. You are also stealing. You are corrupt. You want to say someone else is corrupt. I don't know what to even say about these things again, because these people, I don't know. I don't know. We as NPP members, we need to rise up. Please, we need to rise up and work. To me, I feel the communicators have a lot of work to do. And I wish that UCC guy, I've forgotten his name. There's one UCC guy who is very fluent. There's one guy, he attended UCC. He's very fluent. He's very good. Yes, he's dark. He's very good. Okay, he's very good when it comes to this communication stuff. I feel they have to push him so that he can be out there and talking about the good works NPP has done for people. Please, may NDC by me, my younger brother is in the senior high school, and last year ya no remo, so intimimity hey na makuma jigo. Oh no, my problem is some of us will pay. But what of those people who don't have anything? Oh, we'll pay. Thank you very much to the voice. Thank you.